Guys, very happy to share what I discussed yesterday. I was expecting this support to hold, and it did. I was expecting that this 32320 should be respected ultimately, and the weekly close was at 34,700 plus. So for now, this has not been breached, has been respected, and we can expect a bounce. Now, going forward, there can be a couple of scenarios for if the bullish continuation has to happen, which in my assumption, it should. But let me just, share a couple of thoughts how I foresee things happening. Now, there is one option wherein the price could straight away from here could move to about this level. Either the 48,900 resistance, so roughly 49,000 resistance, or this pit which is roughly 53,000 resistance. Now, if the price from here moves straight to these resistance areas, that's not necessarily a great sign. Then I think there'll have to be a very heavy correction, and possibly, we could come back to test the current bottom the current closure, the last week closure that we've just seen. And then let's see, if this maintains, and that could be like a double bottom, and we could continue to move up. Alternatively, the better scenario would be that from here, Bitcoin grinds its way up, makes a high, makes a higher low, makes a higher high, makes a higher low, makes a higher high, makes a higher low, and continues to make a higher high, and then from there it can continue the bull run. So I think that will be tremendous if it slowly grinds its way up to test resistances by making higher highs and higher lows instead of going up straight. If it goes up straight, it may still be a good opportunity to fill up for a short around this bit, which is around 53,000 level mark, to come back and test maybe a double bottom. So these are a couple of scenarios that I'm looking at. If the bull run has to continue, I'm very um, thrilled that this support has held, and the weekly support, which is a major prominent support. And let's see how the market behaves and whether scenario one plays out or scenario two. But either ways, I think we have an interesting market to observe in weeks to come. Thanks.